Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. Basically this is the third chapter of Word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction, you can see the project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this project description, this will be easy for you to understand this assignment well, and you will get an idea about the assignment, and then you will be able to solve this assignment on your own. So just go through this project description. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project, and we have total 21 steps or 21 questions to get this assignment done. In this video I will be doing this assignment step by step. I will solve each and every single question and I will make you learn as well. So just watch this complete video, follow me, then you will be able to solve this assignment. So now let's move to the step number 1 or question number 1 of the assignment, that is start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded this Word document. So we will solve all of the questions into this Word document. We will apply all the instruction into this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So I have already downloaded this from Pearson dashboard. So you can also download this from your course dashboard or Pearson dashboard. So now you can see that there is nothing else to do or solve in step number 1. Step number 1 is just talking about the downloading of this file. So I have already downloaded that file. So now let's move to step number 2. Okay, so now let's do step number 2. Step number 2 is saying click or move the insertion point before the blank paragraph mark at the top of page 2 using Century School Book font at 20-point font size, type Carnes State University and press enter. Change the font size to 16, type comparison of student GPA and involvement in college associations, then press enter. Check the document for spelling and grammatical errors. All names in the table are correct. So now let's move to page number 2. Here we are supposed to click here at the top of page 2. Then we are supposed to change the font style to Century School Book and font size to 20. So go to Home tab, go to Font Style, and here select Century School Book, this one, and change the font size to 16. Let me see, font size is 20, sorry. So we will change the font size to 20. Now we are supposed to type Carnes State University. Carnes State University, okay. Then we are supposed to press enter, and we are supposed to type comparison of student GPA and involvement in college association, but we are supposed to change the font size to 16. Change the font size to 16. comparison of student GPA and involvement in college association. GPA and involvement in college association. Yes, college associations. College association. Okay, college associations. So we were supposed to type this, so I have typed that one. So okay, now it is saying check the document for spelling and grammatical errors. So now we will go to top of the document, go to review tab and click spelling and grammar. So this should be group, this should be ignore, this should be further, reaching, achieving. All the names in the tables are correct, so we will ignore them. Ignore all. Achieving, achievement. Okay, so now we are done with the spelling check. So that is all about step number 2. Now let's move to step number 3. Apply align center alignment to the first row in the table. Click or move the insertion point after the last entry in the last row ending 115. So first we are supposed to align center alignment to first row in the table. Select this one, go to table layout and from here apply align center. Okay, then we are supposed to go to last entry in the table. And after going to last name, we are supposed to press tab and then we are supposed to type the following data. Okay, so let me press tab. Okay, now we are supposed to type this data. So I will simply copy this from here and I will paste into the table. Okay, you can type as well. I am just copying and pasting. And then 3.67101. 3.67101. After typing this, again press tab. Okay, because we are supposed to add another entry. That one is this one. So I will simply copy from here and I will paste into the table, or you can write into the table as well. So I am just copying from here and pasting into the table. Yes, yes, CAS. Yes. Yes. CAS. 4 and 97. 4.00. Okay, sorry. 4.00 and 97. So I have added the 2 entries into the table that is required in step number 3. So now let's move to step number 4. Step number 4 is saying right align any name identify as misspelled and from the shortcut menu select ignore all. Right align any name. So right click any name identify as misspelled from the shortcut menu select ignore all. So there is no misspelled word. So then it is saying select ignore all, sort the table by major in ascending order and then by name in ascending order. So we will select the table first. Select this one, go to table layout and go to sort. So first we are supposed to sort the table by major in ascending order. So we will select by major and from here we will select in ascending order. Then we are supposed to sort the table by name in ascending order. So now we will select name here, and this should also be sorted in ascending order. So we are supposed to sort the table by major in ascending order, then we are supposed to sort the table by name in ascending order. Okay, click OK. So now table is sorted. So that is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to sort the table. So we have completed 4 steps of this assignment so far. Now let's do step number 5. Indicate that Michael J. Simpson and Andrew Sams are both active in delta mu delta by typing yes in delta mu delta column for each of those students. So first we will look for these students, Michael J. Simpson and Andrew Sams. So this is Michael J. Simpson, okay, and other one is the Andrew Sams here, okay. Andrew Sams and Michael J. Simpson. So first Michael J. Simpson is here, and we will go to delta mu column. Delta mu column is this one, and in delta mu column we will type yes for this Michael J. Simpson. Okay, we will type yes here, okay, because these are active in delta mu column. Okay, so we will type yes in delta mu column for Michael J. Simpson, and then Sam's Andrew. We will type yes here as well. Okay, so that is all about step number 5. So we are done with 5 steps of this assignment. Now let's do step number 6. Insert a row above the first row in the table and merge all the cells in the newly inserted row. So we will go to the table, go to first row, then go to table layout. So we are supposed to insert a new row at the top of the table. So we will click insert row above. Okay, so we have inserted a row above. Now we are supposed to merge all the cells in this row. So go to table layout, select first row and click merge cells. So we have merged all the cells in the first row. Then we are supposed to type comparison of GPA and student involvement, and we will make sure the font size should be 16. So go to home tab, make the font size to 16 and type comparison of GPA and student involvement. Okay, so we are supposed to type this in first row, comparison of GPA and student involvement. We are supposed to type this in first row. Okay, we can simply copy this from the instruction sheet and you can paste it here. So I just typed it here. Okay, that is all about step number 6. Now let's do step number 7. Shade the first row in gold accent 4. Okay, so we are supposed to shade the first row. Select this first row, go to table design and go to shading and apply gold accent 4 to this first row. We are supposed to shade the first row of table with gold accent 4. Okay, then it is saying select all the text in the third row through the end of the table with L0051899 ending with 98. The table may span into 2 pages. Bold the selection. We will select this from third row to the end of the table. Then we are supposed to apply bold to this. So go to home tab and apply bold. So now you can see we have applied the bold formatting, and that is all about step number 7. So now let's do step number 8. Select the entire table. Select a pen color of gold accent 4 and line weight of 1/2. Ensure that a single line border is shown. Apply the selection to all borders. So now we are supposed to apply the border to the table, and for that pen color is already given, that is gold accent 4, and line weight is also given. So select the table, go to table design and pen color we will select gold accent 4. Okay, then line weight we will select this one and we are supposed to ensure a single line border. So line style should be single line, that is the first option. And now we are supposed to apply border to apply all borders. So we will go to border and we will select all borders. So we have applied, sorry, 1 second. Line weight, we are supposed to select this one and then apply all borders. So we have applied the border. Now you can see that table is span on 2 pages. So we have applied all borders to this table, and that is all about step number 7, where we were supposed to apply all borders to this table. Sorry, 8. So now let's do step number 9. Insert a row below the last row in the table. So now we are supposed to insert a row below the last row in the table. So this is the last row. Click anywhere in the last row, go to table layout and click insert row below. Okay. Then we are supposed to type average in the first cell on the last row. Type average here in the first cell. Sorry. All are capital. Average here. Okay. Then it is saying press tab 6 times to reach CSU column. Include a formula that average all the values in the column above. So CSU column. So we can see from here, this is second last column is the CSU column. So click here and then go to table layout and click formula. So we are supposed to average all the values above. So we will replace this sum with average. Okay. And click OK. So we got this average here. Okay. So that is all about step number 9. So in this video I have solved 9 steps for you. That is half of the assignment that I have completed for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete course for you, or if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or all other Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So thank you so much.